Good morning from New York and welcome to another vlog. It's our second week in New York and we are out and about. Sun is shining. Yes, I am gonna sit in my cab. Wait. Okay, yeah, so I was saying that last week has been so much fun, but I think, in my opinion, we've taken it slow. I am yet to cover so many spots, and so it's like 10 in the morning and I am already out and we're going to One Summit. It's quite famous, and when I show you all, you'll know what I'm talking about. And it's supposed to be like the spot. All my friends were like, I know you don't want to do like a lot of touristy things, but like you have to go to One Summit. So we are going there because there are rain predictions for rest of the days of the week, and then it'll not make any sense because the view will not be viewing. So we just like booked our tickets in the morning from the official website, and now we are going there. After that, we'll see the LV building, and we'll just be around Plaza Empire, all these places. I literally want to like sort of see them, but then every time we go in the area, we just end up not going to these places. So today we are going to go there, and then yeah, we'll figure what the rest of the day looks like. Oh my god, yeah, there's a Sunday market. Oh my god, they are selling like fresh produce, flowers. So pretty. By the time we come back, it'll be shut, but it's pretty. Yeah, having breakfast at this cafe called Bluestone. This avocado toast is so good, and then that's like a banana bread. It tastes good, but it's like quite dry. And yeah, we have to quickly finish this and head to the summit.
Stops transforming. There was nothing that was going to.
I'm at Cha Cha Matcha now. It's very famous. Like y'all must have seen this. And I'm trying matcha latte in oat milk with vanilla. Let's do a taste test. She put too much vanilla. Fifth Ave is such an amazing area. We have been walking around for a while, and oh my god, if you're coming here, you have to visit Fifth Ave, of course. It's like, yeah, you can't miss it because everything, like, it gives you the true New York feel, I feel, because like so many high-rise buildings you all can see, and yeah, there is every possible brand. And of course, like, you don't have to shop or anything, but just like window shop and look around and see, like, there's so much that you can sort of explore and that you can sort of learn from. And yeah, it just gives you that New York high. It has truly given me a New York high. But anyways, right now we are just looking around to find like a place where we can sit and eat. We have to sort of do our lunch, so we're gonna do that. Do you wanna go here?
Let's check it out.
Yeah, okay. There's a bakery right like behind us. So we're gonna enter and figure if they have something in veg. Finding veg food is not like really tough. There's vegan, of course, but then yeah, like they'll have like one veg thing and it'll be an avocado toast. So Guys, so we are at this place called Maman. It's in Fifth Ave only, and oh my god, I feel like I have met so many people in New York just like that. Like, you know, people who have texted me that, oh my god, like you're in New York, let's hang, and I've just casually bumped into them. Like a person who I've worked with like in 2020, I just bumped into her here, and she was supposed to bring me here. Like she texted me, and I was like, this is such a small world.
And you
but
met her here.
Yeah,
That
it's
is insane.
you know, every moment here feels like it was meant to be, or like I'm in the right place at the right time kind of a thing. I'm so glad. And she told us that the croissant here is like worth every penny, and you should definitely try it. So I'm so excited to try it. They come in a really cute place. It looks really cute.
Can we buy the plate?
Let me try it. It is so good.
Actually,
So good. It's so flaky, soft.
break it up like this. A small piece of
Okay, designer. I know, it's so good. It is. What else did you order? Guys, I'm in Aritzia. This is my first time in Aritzia, and oh my god, I'm blown away. The store is so good. It is such a good store. Guys, can you all see what's behind me? Oh my god, the LV tower. Boxes. Literally, look at it. It's like these giant boxes. Oh my god, it's insane. No windows, no nothing, just boxes. And the area in general, like there's Tiffany and Co. That's Trump Tower. Here we have Chanel, Prada, Makimoto, Bulgari, Chopard. Oh my god, Van Cleef. It's like dripping money. We are at a pier, and now we are gonna take like a ferry and go to Dumbo, which is in Brooklyn. And then we are gonna see the Brooklyn Bridge. We are gonna go to the Time Out Market. And there's another Dumbo Flea, which only happens on weekends. And luckily today is a Sunday, so we might go there too. We'll meet our friends like just there. And yeah, it is such a lovely weather. It's such a lovely view. I love it. Anik has told me that I've gotten an accent, and he's saying it's a very fake accent. So if any of you all have noticed it, please don't hate on me. I'm not doing it on purpose. It's just a tendency of mine. It's basically a type personality where people just pick on the way that the other people around them speak. And it's a very subconscious thing, so trust me, I'm not doing it on purpose. But regardless, I need to show you all the view, and I also need to take some pictures. Look at it. Oh my god, that's the view. Wow, we have picked such a good day to be here. I'm so glad. I'm so happy. Guys, this has been the best ferry ride I've ever taken. Oh my god, I can't. This is the Brooklyn Bridge. It is humongous, and this view is insane. I've lost my mind. Oh my god, I've lost my mind. Shit. This is insane. This was, oh my god, this was a 10 on 10 experience.
Really?
The best one so far.
Yes.
I look behind it, it's huge. This bridge is huge. Literally sitting in a park, like that's the Manhattan Bridge. I'll show you all the view. I'll show you all the view behind me and in front of me. It's insane. So this is the view right in front of me. Oh my god, that's the Manhattan Bridge. Humongous. Literally, it is huge. And then look at that. That's the New York skyline, I think. Yeah, no, that's the New York skyline.
Yes.
Oh my god. Guys, I told Anik to take a picture of me. Look at him. Look at it. This is the rooftop of the Time Out Market, and this is the view. So pretty. I am literally walking on the Brooklyn Bridge. Oh my god, this is the bridge that they show in a lot of movies. I think even Kalhona or like some Kabhi Khushi Gum movie. I don't know.
Show them the
Yeah. Oh my god.
Show them the view.
I hope the camera is doing justice because this view is insane.
It never does.
Yeah. We have like missed the sunset a little, but it's fine. Like the after sunset view is also very stunning. And I'm really tired and out of breath because why am I walking? Oops. Because I've been walking full day. And yeah, we are on the bridge now, like the wooden thing. Okay, yeah, I think we are on the bridge now.
Yeah.
That was still like a path towards the bridge, but like now we are on the bridge. It's a really good morning because I am having pop-up bagel with scallion cream cheese and I'm sitting on a park bench. Hot chocolate also, thank you. It's an ideal morning for me, and this is worth the hype. I really like it. I think all the viral spots I have tried, I to like it. Matlab, yeah, for me to they are good. It's 12 right now and fully ready to sort of leave, and we're going to Highline. We are gonna then go to West Village and might also not actually, I will see Statue of Liberty today finally. Excited. I don't know what I think about my outfit. Actually, I really like it. It's cool, it's fun, it's New York.
You also look like Statue of Liberty.
Thank you. Also guys, my Airbnb has been an absolute mess because the storage is an issue. I got so much stuff and like there are 5 hangers in total and they hold 5 of my jackets, and like yeah, there were 6 suitcases and everything is just here and there because there's just not much space. I love like sort of setting up my Airbnb, but I could not really do that in this one. We have rented city bikes again, and guys, this is the cycling track. It's insane and it's fall. Like, can you all see? It's literally giving fall right out of my Pinterest. And yeah, we're gonna bike towards West Village. Guys, if y'all are planning to sort of visit Highline, my advice would be that bike for half the way and then walk for half the way. So that's what we did. We biked around, like we started, where did we start? Yeah. We started at Hudson River.
Near the vessel.
Yeah, near the vessel, and we rented like a city bike, and then we biked around, and then we stopped at a point, I think near the Chelsea Pier, and then now we're gonna just find the entrance and then we're gonna walk that Highline. So like you get the best out of the both things, and that's what I think I would recommend. guys, we are in a consignment thrift kind of store, and I'll put the name up on the screen, but like, are you kidding me? It's insane and it's so massive, and there are like so many brands. Balmain, Prada, Dior, everything is on like 70-80% off. I don't know how it works, but like it's huge. I'm just looking around and like getting the experience of it. I don't know if I'll end up buying something or not. We are in Sweet Green. It's a very famous chain here, and they do like bowls and stuff. You can get a lot of vegetarian and vegan options here, which is why we just like saw it and we decided to come. We got their shimami bowl, but without mushroom because none of us eat mushrooms. But like it's supposed to be good. I don't know how it'll taste without the mushrooms.
Weekend is not performing. Arun sent me. We can put a story, but he's not performing.
We were supposed to go a Global Citizen concert, and Weekend just posted a story that he's not performing.
We can ask for a refund.
Yeah, we are gonna ask for a refund. I'm not going. I literally was gonna go for.
Let me text on the
Oh god, that's the worst news I've ever heard. Let's eat food. This is good. We've been eating fried and sweet food since a really long time, since a week almost. This is the first time, this is the first time we've had like a salad bowl or something like that. So it's, yeah, I'm really liking it, and it's actually really good.
It feels good internally, you know?
Got a croissant from Maman. It is literally the best. We went to the one in 5th Avenue yesterday, and today we went to the one in Soho, and I feel like if you wanna sit and eat and yeah, just like not do a takeaway, then you should definitely come to the one in Soho. It's prettier than the one in 5th Ave, but like the croissant is flaky, it's soft, it's warm, it's fresh. Look at it. One thing that has happened with me on every trip is I just somehow leave my phone somewhere, and that's what happened with me right now. I left my phone in the Bacon's closet. That's where I was. I lost my shit. Like, we left that and we were going to the other store, and then I was like, where's my phone? I don't have my phone. And then I ran, and then the lady had it, like the person there, so sweet, God bless her. But yeah, I have my phone, and the place was really good, like the Bacon's Closet. They had really good collection. I didn't get anything because thrifting in general gets so overwhelming, and yeah, it's the most overwhelming experience ever. Plus we also have a ferry that we have booked of 5 o'clock, and then it's almost 5 o'clock, so we might just go to another store and whatever, but after that we'll just leave. I don't know, I just don't feel like I've done like the whole thrifting experience properly, but we do have 6 more days, so yeah, I think I should sit down and make a list of all the places, all the thrift stores that I really want to go, and I should make like a thrifting in New York kind of a video where I'm just thrifting. So that can be fun, but we'll see about that. We all know what's behind me. Wait. Someone stood right in front of it. But you all saw, right? We are on a ferry which takes us around New York. So we saw New Jersey, we saw Statue of Liberty, we saw the Manhattan skyline and everything. It's such a fun ferry. We got so late, guys. We were like running. It was a 5 o'clock ferry, and like we reached exactly at 5, and we were the last people to like on board it. But we are glad. It was such a fun experience, and the weather is so good. going to Soho now. The ferry ride was so fun, and yeah, 10 out of 10 experience if you're a tourist. It was amazing, and we also chose like a good day. It's gonna start raining from like tomorrow, and it's gonna rain throughout the week. I also changed because it got a little chilly, and I was wearing like a skirt. So this is my new outfit, just like a pair of denims, nothing fancy. But I just want to tell you all that we have been using city bikes.
He's taking it.
Oh god, there was just one bike which was not like a. There was just one bike which was an electric bike, semi-electric, and because I was vlogging, this guy came and he just took that off. Oh my god, I'll have to do a manual.
He had an eye contact, like he knew what he was
Oh
doing.
god, I'll have to drive like a. I'll have to like cycle like a normal one. But I was just gonna say that this area is really good and the city bikes are amazing. So if you're in West Village in Soho, I would say just get a day pass and then you can just bike around, and that would be the best thing. And yeah, let me just. Oh god, this is unbelievable. I'll have to like really put in an effort, and I am quite tired.
Tell them what happened.
I am God's favorite child. I was just going that side and figuring out that okay, I'll have to ride a manual one, and then two guys came and then they just dropped the semi-electric
Even
bike.
I can take it, but I just removed my.
Oh god, okay, now I'm gonna ride this one and it's gonna be less tiring, but Anik has already taken out a normal
Show them my
bicycle.
bike and show them your bike.
This is what he's gonna drive. He'll have to actually put in the effort to like properly pedal and drive.
That's okay.
But mine is like almost electric. Let me just take it out before anyone takes
Oh,
it.
yes.
Yeah. I am in a bus right now and we are going to New Jersey Outlet Mall. So today is a shopping day, and yeah, it was quite convenient. We took a train and then we went from inside of the train station. We like went to the bus terminal and then we took a bus ticket and then we sat in the bus. It'll be a 30-minute ride and it's supposed to be a really good outlet.
By the way.
Oh.
Record that. Turn the camera, jaldi.
Okay, this is the place. Anik has been to this outlet mall many times and I've asked him to get so many things for me all the time, but first time I will be in this mall and I will be getting whatever I want to get. So I'm really excited. This is going to be a fun shopping day. We have literally carried an empty suitcase because we're going to shop for ourselves, we're going to shop for our family members and everyone, basically our friends, and who knows like how much we're gonna spend and shop, but I'm excited. This is the place that we have come to, the Mills at Jersey Gardens. Literally the bus dropped us right outside this mall and it's huge. It's my dream. I think we're gonna get some gifts from there. Cannot miss coming to this outlet mall. I have blown my wallet in my mind. My mind has been blown. My wallet is crying in a corner, but my heart is happy. Right now I'm in Saks Fifth Ave outlet. Guys, there are all the brands and they are like on 70% off. I've gotten a Marc Jacobs, but that I got from a Marc Jacobs outlet. Then I got something for my sister from Kate Spade, and then I got like a little something from Ralph. Like there's everything, but it's like crazy discounts. You get my point, and these are good brands, so I'm so happy. There's a Primark here. They have peaked for me because they have a Primark here. I thought I'll have to go to Europe for it.
They have a Harvard.
Is that you shop and then you put everything in your suitcase. You know what happens when you do so much shopping? This is the aftermath. We just randomly found these machines. What are these called? Massage chairs, and they are for like $5. $5 10-minute massage. We were like, take our card. Yes, and 100 times yes. So that's both of us chilling. I love it. I have forgotten what day is it today, but hello, hi. It's almost afternoon actually. The morning was just usual. Got up and sort of went for breakfast. Yeah, that was about it. Then I got ready. I'm wearing a really pretty dress and it matches my nails perfectly. I got this in the Cetaphil gifting suite that they did with Pepper Mayo. And right now we are in Soho again. We are meeting one of our next friends, and then I'll meet Adela. I love her, she's so sweet. I met her also at the Cetaphil event, and now we are just gonna go and grab like a matcha, and I'm really excited about that. So yeah, we're just chilling in Soho. Guys, that's New York or nowhere. That's where I want to come. Right now we are running late, but like I'm in the area, so I will be back. This is such a good spot. There's Blank Street Coffee also, and like yeah, a couple of other stores and designs. I feel Soho is just a fun area, lots of brands. Even West Village for that matter is really fun.
Do you know this brand?
No, a lot of brands that I've never heard of are here, which is insane because you get to sort of explore new brands, which is always a fun thing to do. I am hungry. Oh my god, I wanted to come here also. It's like an iconic magazine spot.
There's also a Glossier Neo NYC.
Stop it.
You want to go there?
Yeah, I want to go to a Glossier.
It's right here.
That's insane. Okay, so we are in a good street. The fries are smelling really good. Oh, this Mexican bowl, sweet potato fries.
Look at the tofu.
Yeah.
Hey, this is amazing.
Let me try. Morning you guys, it's a Saturday, so I filmed yesterday's day as just one vlog, so I'm sort of skipping that. And then there was one day where I did not like vlog, but yeah, I just like sort of combined a few clips for you guys so you all know what I was up to, because it was actually a really fun day and I sort of regret not vlogging that day, but it's fine. Today is a nice fun day, so many things planned. Right now I'm going to Anik's meetup. He has organized it in Central Park. I could have walked, it was a 15-20 minute walk, but it's like so hot and I'm a little late, so I was like, let me just Uber it. So I'm gonna reach there, and yeah, it should be fun. It's his first time doing something like that and I'm so excited, I'm so happy. So yeah, I think it's gonna start at 11, but I just wanted to be a little early, so I should be there by like 10:30. And after that I'm going for lunch with Adela, and then we have a concert planned. Oh my god, I'm gonna speak about the concert bit a little later, but yeah, that's like the basic flow for today. Guys, this is Central Park and look at that group. Those are all the people that have showed up till now, and I think more people are gonna come. This is insane. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I should go there. I just came here to take like a wider view of this. It's looking so pretty. It's so cute and so nice. Love it. I am back home and I am getting ready to go to a concert. It's like right across from the street. It's in Central Park. We live very close to Central Park. But yeah, anyways, I need to really get ready. I'm wearing like a cute micro shorts and whatever. I'll show you all my outfit in a bit. But our friends have reached and I have just started doing my makeup and I need to do it like ASAP. I am late. I sort of took a nap and then yeah, I was just really tired, but anyways, I will do my makeup and I'll see you guys after that. Okay, this is my outfit. This is from this brand called Then and Some, and these shorts are from Peppermill. These boots I got from Primark, which was in the outlet mall we went to in New York, and yeah, I love my outfit. I love it. It's so city girl concert coded. Before I forget to show you all my makeup, this is how it's looking. Nothing too crazy. No rhinestones, no nothing because I don't have those. But I just put like a little bit of glitter, a lot of gloss. Love it. This is gonna be the pre-concert snack. Never tried these, really want to try. This is from a place that me and Adela went to and the cookie is really nice. Actually, she got a pack for herself and then like she left the bag with me and then she was like, it's fine, you keep it. So yeah, I'm gonna have this and that. Let's do a taste test.
Let's not. You like it? Let's
It's
not.
a different flavor. You know what it is? This thing, I don't know what it is called. This like, okay, we are leaving now. I will leave this camera in the Airbnb itself because cameras and everything is not allowed and I just don't want to get into the hassle. I'm not even carrying a bag because there's like so many queues and our friends who are already there, they're like, if you don't like have to carry a bag, don't carry a bag. So I'm just carrying one thing, which is this lip gloss, which will go in our next pocket. Please take it. Thank you. Show your outfit.
This is my fit check. I have so the outfit is priceless, but I have this cap from Gap.
Mine. That's mine.
I got it
As a gift.
Oh,
As
yeah.
a birthday
Yeah,
gift.
Sorry. This is how it's looking like. Very cash.
I can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. I'm falling in love. You're all I'm thinking of. Taking my time.
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Today is also technically like my last day, full day in New York, and we've been so lucky with the weather because it has just been perfect. It has been good. It has been sunny, good amount of wind. It's just a nice pleasant weather, honestly. And yeah, the reason why I thought I'll just start the vlog right now is because there's a really pretty flea market that's just like right across from the street that we are living in. It's like right in front of me, and yeah, last Sunday we missed it, but like when we stepped out of the house we were like, oh my god, it's there this Sunday also. It's like a Sunday street market kind of a thing, and it's really cute, and I've never visited something like this, so I'm really excited to go there and just like chill and have fun. And yeah, I won't be vlogging tomorrow, so this will be like my last day vlogging in New York because tomorrow I just want to enjoy. I just want to sort of take in everything I can from this city. So yeah, today will be the last day that I'll be vlogging here and I'm really excited. We don't have anything major planned for today, but yeah, we'll see. But as of now, let me just quickly grab matcha or something and then we'll go to that flea market right there. It's right there. So there's this place called About Coffee that I've come to like a few times, and yeah, they do good matcha, they do good coffee. They are very near to where we sort of live. Hi, how are you? Great. I'll have one iced matcha latte in oat milk. Yeah, can you put like a little less ice in it though? Yeah.
Regular latte?
We'll go again. So love how the sunlight is hitting. Oh my god. So this is the basic grilled cheese, and then this is the waffle with some strawberries. The sun is hitting, you guys. This is so perfect. I'm obsessed. This is a perfect Sunday breakfast for me. My skin literally feels like it's on fire. My back feels like it's on fire, but I don't mind that because I don't know, I'm really happy with the weather, and it's a perfect Sunday weather actually. So it's just, yeah, it's good. I like it. Also, like, this frame is looking so pretty. We are going to which area right now?
We're going to
like an event. Quickly gonna go there, and yeah, it's a nice flea
Lower East
thrift
Side
kind of an event. Oh, we have not gone to Lower East Side actually. So yeah, that should be fun. We'll be in the area for like an hour or so, and then we are going for Broadway. It's the only thing. Actually, yeah, there were two things that I really wanted to do. One was watching Broadway. One was New York Ballet. We are doing Broadway this time. We'll do New York Ballet next time.
Done.
But like it was so near to like where we were staying. We are staying so near. It's like walking. But it's okay. Leave things for the next next time. Everyone here has such a good style. Like, their everyday outfit is better than my best outfit is what I feel. Like, everyone, they're so effortlessly existing in the best way possible. And yeah, like every outfit I've seen, especially girls, ladies, women, they are on point with their outfits. Also, we've reached the place that we have to go to, and there's a queue. Hopefully we've been invited, so we should be able to skip the queue, but yeah, let's hope for the best. We are walking towards the Broadway theater. Yeah, we're walking towards the Broadway hall, theater, whatever. But guys, oh my god, the place that we went to, that was a thrift vintage heaven. I am so pissed at myself because I literally exhausted all my money, and then I go there and there's like vintage Chanel sort of pumps, and then there are vintage bags, and then there are so many things, so many good thrift finds, vintage finds, and I could not buy anything. I have never been more disappointed. There was this one particular pair of heels from Chanel. They were on my wish list and I could not get them. And yeah, I will think about them in my dreams also. But anyways, it was fine. I'm like glad that I got to experience it and I got to see it. So yeah, that's like cute. Now, yeah, we are out and about. We will see our first Broadway show. Is it this? No. I do need to change. I had this like really pretty dress and I wanted to wear it for the Broadway show. Like, I had it in mind even before I came here. So I really want to wear that dress. And yeah, I'll hopefully get some cute pics. So that's an add-on. By the way, this is what I was wearing. I mean, this is what I'm wearing right now. This really cute t-shirt. It says Angel. And then brown pants. I feel like brown and red is such a fall combo. Yeah, I quite like my outfit. It's a very New Yorker, effortless, I belong here kind of a vibe. What were your thoughts on the Broadway show that we watched?
Last time I came here, the only thing I couldn't do was a Broadway, and this time I did it. I would say honestly, Broadway completes New York.
Yeah, like the experience.
Everything we saw was so well planned, well thought out, well executed, so
Yeah.
emotional. We could feel so many different feelings after each skit.
No, but it
And
was like the way they're so talented.
Yeah.
Like how were they dancing and singing? It was a musical, so the fact that they were acting and dancing and
the
singing
set,
and yeah, the set,
the way the set was made, the way the
Yeah.
sound design was
the
done.
costume was so good, especially for Great
Yeah.
Great Gatsby, because it's from that era, right? Also, I could not record much because you cannot record a show. I didn't know about it, but then yeah, of course, like we could not record it, but it was so good.
But we have a few pictures for them, so just pop it up right now.
Yeah. But like the main part I don't have, right? Like the main
Yeah.
show, we don't have like pictures or anything. But yeah, dude, like I want to see more shows and I want to see what more can they possibly do, because a lot of people say that there are more such shows
Yeah.
and they will blow your mind even more.
Our friends told us Harry Potter was great.
Yeah.
Like the best one they saw.
No, but like Great Gatsby was so good. I would for sure recommend. And yeah, I had the best. I think it's a must.
The crazy part is
experience.
you haven't even seen the movie.
Yeah, I haven't seen the movie, but I know the full story now. Like I understand it.
But you
through
have to see the
musical.
movie now. You have
yeah,
to.
I can.
Like we
for
should
sure.
we should watch this movie on our way back to Bombay in the flight.
Maybe.
Yeah, let's do that.
Right now we are going for dinner, and then we'll go home and pack.